This is sand.
And this is Squand!
The outrageous underwater sculpting sand. And when you take Squand out of the water, it's magically dry. You can bet it won't get wet.
Tyco Rebound combines amazing stunts no other RC vehicles can perform. Only Rebound does freestanding flips and the side spin. Radio-controlled rechargeable 6-speed jet turbo for blinding speed and incredible stunts like mid-air twists and 360-degree spins. There is only one, Tyco Rebound.
Playmobil presents the totally new radio-controlled play train. Easy and safe to use, inside or outside. The radio controls make playing mobile. Playmobil radio-controlled train, a revolution in toy trains.
Look, the look starts here. Glamour gear.
120 press-on nails.
The colors are now, the look is wow. Add polish, glitter, dry, add foil or jewel.
Super Nail Creations!
Glamour Gear Super Nail Creations is 10-in-1 fun from Rose Art, the color company.
From somewhere way out there comes the NERF Big Bad Bow. The most awesome bow ever means your shots go on and on and on. The NERF Big Bad Bow. Feel the power.
Use your hands. Cut away. Pass. Now run.
Only in Kellogg's Frosties can you collect special 3D action medals of 10 different NBA teams.
Whoa, great!
Slam dunk all 10 with Kellogg's Frosties.
Make it real!
Mega Rig Police, the truck that transforms into a total police command center. It's got everything you need to catch the crooks. Find them with a searchlight. Cut him off, closing in. Fire, lock him up. Mega Rig, a total police command center in one. Matchbox!
Hi, I'm Polly. At Polly Pockets Fun Fair, you can join Polly and her friends on lots of amazing rides.
Polly Pockets Fun Fair Collection. Make it sticker, super sticker. Make a cat just like that, or a flower for your hat. Super stickers, made by me.
Good luck, Dexter. The things I do for Dairylea. Okay, Miami Mice.
Hey, fat boy.
You couldn't catch us even if you was on roller skates.
Time to put the cat out.
Warning, these mice will do anything for Dairylea.
Sponsored by Turbo